Step 1. Arrange all parts of the running board neatly. Then assemble the washers with the hex flathead bolts. Step 2. Use a marker pen to make marks at the designated positions. Step 3. Slide the nuts into the tracks at both ends of the step crossbar. Insert 18 nuts into the side tracks. Six nuts into the bottom track. Position the nuts according to the marks. Then place the crossbar with the track groove facing downwards and the smooth side facing upwards. Step 4. Confirm the position of the bracket and the crossbar. Fix the assembled bolt through the bracket onto the crossbar. Repeat the same process for the other two brackets. Step 5. Confirm the position of the step. Fix the assembled bolts through the step onto the crossbar. Repeat the same process for the other step. Step 6. Cover both ends of the crossbar with protective covers. Secure them tightly using the assembled bolts. Step 7. Repeat the same process for the right running board. Step 8. Align the assembled running board with the corresponding bolt positions on the original vehicle and install it. Place washers onto the bolts and tighten them with nuts. Step 9. Repeat the same process with the right running board.